welcome to Ask Aunty.
Yes.
Aunty, Aunty Munya, the question today is it disrespectful in an acknowledgement of country to focus on the country that I'm on? The question actually says that the settlers, we settlers, reside on stolen lands. So is it disrespectful to acknowledge that it's stolen land?
No, I wouldn't say it's disrespectful, Carla. I think that's terrific to acknowledge that because it's acknowledging past history. And at the end, I would say something like always was, always will be, and people understand that phrase. Just be careful about the use of the word settler because we were settled peoples as well, but I understand it in a particular its particular usage. But so not disrespectful at all. Always was, always will be.
Ask Aunty.